Welcome everyone. Let's begin our lesson for today by going over our learning goals and success criteria. First, what are we learning? We're learning how to understand the vocabulary associated with exponential functions. We're learning how to compute exponential expressions on integers and fractions. And we're learning how to perform basic exponential operations and recognize like terms. How are we learning it? Through the Exponential Functions Vocabulary Flashcards, the Exponential Functions Vocabulary Quiz assignment, the Exponents Notes, and the Exponents Assignment. When can we use the information in this lesson? To assist with the vocabulary in the lessons for this unit, and to calculate the amount of money in a savings account, including interest. How do we know we learned it? By getting a score of 4 on the Exponential Functions Vocabulary Quiz assignment, and a 4 on the Exponents assignment. Now let's take a look at our agenda for today. We'll begin by going over our learning goals and success criteria. While we do that, you'll fill out your Get It Started. Once you've completed your Get It Started, we'll go over it together and answer any questions that you may have. Then we'll go over our raffles. After that, we'll go over the notes on exponents and give you time to complete your exponents assignment. After you've completed your exponents assignment, we'll go over it together and answer any questions that you may have. With about 10 minutes left of class, we'll go over the Exponential Functions Vocabulary Quiz. At the end of class, we'll go back over our learning goals and success criteria again while you fill out your Before You Go. Your homework for tonight is to complete the Exponential Functions Vocabulary Quiz and to begin working on your Exponential Functions Study Guide, as well as complete any incomplete assignments you may have. Let's talk now about how to access Quizlet to view your vocabulary cards. So if you notice, there are flashcards here when you click on the link to go to Quizlet. If you notice, if you click on the card, it will give you the term, and if you click it again, it goes to the definition. So you can click this back and forth, and it keeps going back and forth between the definition and the term. Now, that being said, the issue that you'll have is it won't let you view all the cards unless you log in. So this is how you log in. I'm going to go here to where it says log in, and I'm going to click on log in with Google. It's going to ask me to sign in. I'm going to use my school email account, and you should already be logged into that because you've accessed this through Google Classroom. So we should be good. So now I should see my picture here in the corner that says that I'm logged in. And now I can go through and view all the flashcards. I can go through to the next one and continue to flip them over and see the definitions and the terms. So you'll go through this, and then once you're done going through these, you can go back to the Google form and fill out your vocab quiz. Let's take a look now at the Exponential Functions Vocabulary Quiz. So the assignment begins with our learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, the questions begin here, and we'll go ahead and answer them after looking at our flashcards. First question says, which of the following terms means a function whose value is a constant raised to the power of x? Well, we know that's an exponential function, so we're going to click on that. Then we move to the next one. It says, which of the following terms means the number of units the graph of a function is moved up or down? Well, up or down is vertical, so we'll call that a vertical shift. And we'll continue to answer all of these questions until we get to the end. Once we get to the end, we'll go ahead and click Next. This will send us to our Before You Go. Fill out your Before You Go, and then submit your work on Google Classroom.